Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Psych E-Pathshala. To get notified about our future videos, click on the subscribe button on the home page and hit the bell icon and choose all option. Also go and search Psych E-Pathshala on Facebook. Go to our Facebook page and give us a like. Let's start today's video.
In our daily life, we can use the term frustration and conflict in everywhere when we feel some blockage to reach our goal and for some decision making process. But we are not aware of the meaning of these two terms, that is conflict and frustration, and how it works in our daily life and what is the actual reason behind this. In this video, I will discuss about this concept thoroughly, so stay with us and watch the video till end. Let's start today's discussion. Frustration was defined by Carroll as the condition of being thwarted in the satisfaction of a motive. The process of motivation starts with need. A need is something that is necessary for an organism to live a healthy life. Need leads to drive. A drive is a basic urge to produce motivation for an action which reduces attention. When our action is directed towards a goal and there is a barrier, we feel frustration. We deal with frustration by using defense mechanism. We will discuss about need and drive in our video about motivation, and will talk about defense mechanism in our video about psychoanalytic theory. The causes or sources of frustration are classified into two sections, that is internal and external. The internal causes of frustration are physical abnormality and defect, conflicting aims and desires, high ideals and morality, high level of aspiration, lack of persistence and sincerity. The external causes or sources of frustration are natural calamities like as earthquakes, tsunami, etc., economic and financial constraints such as demonetization and corruption and favoritism. Reaction of frustration are two types, that is simple reaction and violent reaction. Simple reaction are increasing effort, that is putting more effort than previous trials. The next one is improving trials, that is trying to do it more efficiently than previous trials. Next one is adopting compromising position, that is settling for a lesser goal. The next one is submissiveness, which means giving in and submitting to a higher authority. Last one is withdrawal, that is giving up and running away from the situation. Violent reactions are external aggression, that is quarrel with friends or colleagues, and another one is internal aggression, that is committing suicide or harming oneself. Now we will discuss about one of the major causes of frustration, that is conflict. According to Kurt Lewin, conflict is usually a clash of motives. Conflict can occur due to many reasons, such as individual difference, that is difference between me and my friend. Next is cultural difference, that is difference between two cultures, that is China and America. The next one is difference of opinion regarding interest, that is difference in between two opposing parties. The next one is social change, that is changes from one generation to another generation. Conflicts are four types. First one is approach-approach conflict. In this type of conflict, two positive goals are present that equally attractive at the same time. For example, you are sleepy and hungry at the same time. This type of conflict is resolved by satisfying one goal at a time, like eating first and then going to sleep. The next one is avoidance-avoidance conflict. In this type of conflict, two negative goals are present that are equally unattractive. For example, a child avoids medicine because it is bitter, but takes the medicine to avoid sickness. The next one is approach-avoidance conflict. In this type of conflict, one goal is present which is equally attracts and repels. For example, a child wants to buy a toy but fears it may break. The next one is multiple approach-avoidance conflict. In this type of conflict, many goals are present which are equally attracts and repels. The last three conflicts which I discussed, these are resolved by using coping strategies and defense mechanism. Effects of conflict are increase in tension, disrupt normal activity, harmful to individuals, improve decision making process, become violent. So today's topic ends here. Like this video and share with your friends. To subscribe our channel, click on this circle. To watch our previous video, click on this box. To watch other videos in the playlist, click on this box.